So we are here for the early morning session at the skate park. I am here with the crew, and that would be me and Nash, my 7-month-old German Shepherd puppy. We're about to get after it. A little breakfast, banana, protein bar, quick, simple. Needed to get out the door. And okay. He's young, he's a German Shepherd puppy, so I want to bring him to the skate park and just kind of get him used to the environment. So far, the weather's good. Nash is doing great. What you think, Bubba? What do you think? What you think, buddy?